going to show you something cool that I did to help fill out Workday applications. Workday is always a pain because you have to legally re-input the information so that way they can make sure that you're not, fibbing. That's why you have to always refill it in sometimes for more stricter companies. However, I went ahead and pushed add another for the relevant number of experiences that I have. And then I have my text-based resume. I used Claude Code to create 2 scripts that I paste inside of the console. And then what I do to have Claude Code be able to know the fields is I'll save the page and then have it read the HTML, and then it can produce a script for me. So I'll go ahead and paste this in here to clear it out, and then paste in the fill one so that way you can see it in action. There we go. So it filled out all of the dates and everything according to my specifications. It took a little while, but this was more fun than doing it manually. So hope that helps.